to start today's session. Actually, today's session is some introductory part about human reproduction. Here we discuss first of all different systems. System we can say uh, what is actually male and female. Okay, so first of all we discuss it, and after that we start with different organ. Okay, that is a reproductive organ. Okay, so let's start with first slide. And 1 minute. Huh. So what we discuss in this chapter, we discuss about male reproductive system. Then first of all, we discuss about what is a male reproductive system. Okay, and after that we discuss about female reproductive system. Next we discuss about gametogenesis. Then what is meant by gametogenesis? What is meant by gamete? So there are have two type of gametes. You already, I think you know about it. That is a sperm. Okay, uh, and next is a egg. Okay, then how to form a gamete. Okay, and this formation of gamete is a very important because with the help of sperm and egg, that means fusion of sperm and egg is responsible for development of embryo, and that's why we want to discuss about gametogenesis. And gametogenesis is a very important part, very important as well as very complex part also, and it is important for your future also. Future in the sense there have one subject when you going to your graduation or PG, that is a developmental biology. And developmental biology, uh, in which we discuss about the reproduction, not only human and but also other animal also. Okay? So gametogenesis is a very important. Next thing is the menstrual cycle. I think we discuss some of part about menstrual cycle in first lesson. Okay, that is ostrich cycle and menstrual cycle. But in this lesson, we discuss in detail about the menstrual cycle. Okay, so how menstrual cycle uh, important for the development, or we can say reproduction, and what is the different step in menstrual cycle. Okay. Next thing is a fertilization and implantation. Then what is the meaning of fertilization? Fertilization nothing but the fusion of male and female gamete, that is a fertilization. And after that implantation, then what is meant by implantation? This is the uterus. Okay, and this is female reproductive system, like that. Okay, like that. This is a ovary. I am drawing here the rough diagram. Okay, not correctly. Okay, this is the ovary, and this is the uterus. Okay, so after the fertilization process, there have embryo developed or embryo generate, and that embryo uh, stick to this wall, that is uterine wall, and that known as the implantation process. Okay, that is embryo implant on the uterine wall or uterus wall. Okay, that is the implantation. Next is the pregnancy. Okay, after implantation, this embryo develop, cell division happen here, and organogenesis happen. Organogenesis means development of organs, and this embryo develop. Okay, that known as pregnancy process. Next is embryonic development, that is we already discussed it. And what is embryonic? That is development of embryo, organogenesis, and other things. Okay, that is we can say group of cell take a different develop into different part, or we can say develop into different organs. That is a embryonic development. Okay, next process is the parturition process. Then what is mean by parturition? In short, or in our language, it's known as a delivery of baby. Okay, that is a delivery from uterus to outer side in the sense in our nature or environment or atmosphere. That is the parturition process. And after parturition, this is this process, that is lactation. Lactation process is the post delivery process or a post parturition process. आफ्टर पार्चुरेशन होने के बाद में लैक्टेशन. Then what is meant by lactation? Lactation is the process where milk develop in female breast. That process is known as the lactation. Okay. Before delivery, there have no any development of milk in female body, and lactation process is one of hormonal process where due to some different hormones, milk get developed in female breast. Okay, so these all things we want to discuss in this lesson. Okay, so let's start with some questions. So first questions: non-primates males, sorry, mammals have menstrual cycle, estrus cycle, breeding season, non-breeding season. I'm launching poll for you. Please answer it. Okay. Correct Deepa, correct Prathamesh, correct Rukmini, correct Sahana. Okay guys, 30 seconds are left. Correct Sushri, correct Sneha, no, yes, correct. Only 10 seconds guys. Please answer fast. Actually, these things already done in your previous classes. So very easy question. Okay. So I am ending the poll, and this is your answer. Okay. Maximum people, that is 94% people opted option B, and that's a good thing. Okay. So option B is the obviously correct answer. So in previous sessions, you already learned uh, in primates there have menstrual cycle, and that menstrual cycle is a monthly bleeding from female of primate, that known as the menstrual cycle. What is the actual menstrual cycle, we will going to discuss, no issue about it. Okay? Next thing is the estrus cycle. Actually estrus cycle uh, uh, is happen before the, or we can say during a heat period. Okay, that means when actually जो नॉन प्राइमेट्स होते हैं, इन दी नॉन प्राइमेट्स देयर हैव नो स्पेसिफिक menstrual cycle. Okay, and there have specific, is it my voice clear? Okay, okay, ठीक है, चलिए. हाँ, yes. So there have no specific menstrual cycle, that is no monthly bleeding in non-primates, but during heat period, then what is meant by heat period? There have specific season for the population. Population in the sense sexual activities. Okay, so that known as heat period. But in case of primate, there have no specific time period for the sexual activity. There have we can say they have entire year get मतलब sexual activity कर सकते हैं. So that is a estrus cycle. ठीक है, तो estrus cycle happen only in a heat period. Okay, heat period means the time of sexual activity for non-primates. Okay. Next thing is the breeding season. You know what is meant by breeding season? Breeding season is a time period for the breeding of animal. Okay, that is a breeding. And non-breeding means there have no any type of time period. That is a non-breeding. So this is a completely not an answer. And estrus cycle is the answer. Okay, chalo, coming to the next. Next, sexual reproduction leads to. ठीक है, please read question carefully. Read option carefully. Evolution, variation, genetic recombination, all the above. Actually, this part, this question is a somehow general, not a specific, or we can say not covering your previous sessions. Okay, so this is a general thing we want to know. Correct Vishwajit, correct Raghavi, correct Srushri, correct Deepa, correct Rukmini. Correct Janmajaya. करेक्ट पूजा. ठीक है, देखते हैं कितने लोगों ने आंसर किया. ओके गाइस, 30 seconds are left. Only 65% voted. Here are other people. बाकी लोग कहाँ हैं? ओके, 10 seconds are left guys. Please answer fast. चलिए जल्दी जल्दी आंसर कीजिए. Okay, I'm ending the poll now, and this is your result. Maximum people, that is a 95%. I think this question completed in your previous session because answer बहुत ज्यादा आ रही है, that's why ज्यादा right आ रही है. ठीक है, no issue. ठीक है, so 95% people choose an option D, and obviously option D is the correct option. ठीक है, so all of above is the correct option. Leads to evolution. Then what is meant by evolution? Evolution is the gradual change in the living things. That is the evolution, and we are the product of evolution. Okay. Next thing is the variation. So variation is the part of evolution actually. So I am right here like this. Okay. So variation is the differences develop in organism. That is the variation. Okay. Next thing is a genetic recombination. Then what is meant by genetic recombination? Simply genetic recombination is the process to, we can say, embedded the genetic material from two parents. Okay, that is a genetic recombination. Okay, so or we can say it is the selective process of gene, or we can say selection process of gene. So that is the genetic recombination. So we will going to discuss in molecular basis of inheritance about genetic recombination. So don't worry about this word, that is a genetic recombination. Okay, so just remember genetic means gene, and here combination. Okay, so combination means combine, gene combining. Simply, that is a genetic recombination. So these three things allow in the sexual reproduction. No doubt it allow in sexual reproduction. Okay, because sexual reproduction happen due to a male and a female. That's why. That means the here it participated two genes. Okay, two ways of genes. They combine through this male and female and develop a one child in the sense, develop their progeny. Okay, and that's why these three things happen in the sexual reproduction, and that's why all of the above is the answer. Okay, chaliye, coming to the next. Meiosis gives two haploid cell, four haploid cell, two diploid cell, four diploid cell. Actually, this part completed in your 11th. Okay, so please give answer. I'm launching the poll for you. You already learn about meiosis and mitosis process. Correct, Vishwajit? Correct. Madhabi? Correct. Rukmini? Correct, Raghavi? Actually, this is A, B, C, and D. Correct, Janmaya? Okay. 20 seconds are left, guys. Please answer fast. Only 63% answer this question. Correct, Sahana? Okay, I am ending the poll now. Some people are still confused in mitosis and meiosis. So please read the process of mitosis and meiosis, because mitosis meiosis is a very important when you study about the human reproduction. Okay, that's why, because आगे चल के ना हमें देखो दो लेक्चर के बाद आफ्टर टू लेक्चर्स हियर इज द वन, हमारा आज का एक पहला लेक्चर दैट इज इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर is about the different organs, that is सेकेंडरी सेक्सुअल ऑर्गन, प्राइमरी सेक्सुअल ऑर्गन, उसके बारे में रहेगा इंफॉर्मेशन. एंड आफ्टर दैट वी गोइंग टू स्टार्ट अबाउट द रिप्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस, फर्टिलाइजेशन, आफ्टर फर्टिलाइजेशन प्रोसेस व्हाट्स हैपन एंड व्हाट्स थिंग गोइंग ऑन. सो for that process we want to know about meiosis, mitosis and complete cell cycle process. So I think कल क्लास नहीं है, टुमारो आई थिंक आपके क्लास है नहीं, मुझे नहीं, आई थिंक नहीं है, ठीक है. एंड संडे, संडे आपके हाथ में है, सो यू हैव अ संडे. एंड आई थिंक इन योर स्टेट लॉकडाउन भी होगा, सो प्लीज रीड केयरफुली अबाउट द माइटोसिस मियोसिस. इफ यू हैव एनी टाइप ऑफ इश्यू अबाउट माइटोसिस मियोसिस, प्लीज सेंड मैसेज इन ग्रुप, हम उस पर आंसर करते ही है, नो इश्यू, ठीक है. तो वो रीड करना बहुत जरूरी है बिफोर गोइंग टू discuss about human reproduction. Okay, and because mitosis meiosis is a cytological we can say terms, and it is a very important, ठीक है. अगर हमें बेस ही पता नहीं रहेगा then how we build a house. Okay, so base is important, and these things, that is cytological thing, that mitosis meiosis is the base, ठीक है. डेवलपमेंट का वो बेस है. ओके, चलिए यहाँ पे in case of meiosis option 2 or option B is the correct option, so you already know. So normal cell is a 2n cell, okay, and in process of meiosis they have reductional division, it develops n cell, okay, and this is the first meiosis, okay, and after that second meiosis happen. Okay, second meiosis is the same as a mitosis, and that's why they develop, or we can say this n haploid cell divide into two cell. Okay, यहाँ पर दो दो cell में divide होता है, and this is the final product. This is a mitosis 2, and this is a final product, that is a 4 meiotic cell. Okay, so let's start with today's session. So first of all, human reproduction. Okay, so what is the mean by human reproduction? Human reproduction is the process where life develop from the living organism. Okay, so I am right here in shortcut. It is the process where life develop from living organism. Okay, and that is known as the human reproduction. Simple है, यहाँ पे चीज human reproduction में क्या होता है? There have a male, ठीक है? There have a female, ठीक है? And ये हमारा फीमेल है, and they develop a new young one. Okay, that is a baby, and that process is known as the human reproduction. Okay, so here you can see the representation about human reproduction. So this is a female. Female give the egg set, male give the sperm set. Okay, and during population, it going to toward the fertilization. Here fertilization happen, and due to fertilization zygote is formed. Okay, and this zygote developed into the embryo. Okay, so that is a simple, or we can say shortcut diagram to represent. So going to the forward, So this is a definition. Reproduction is the production of young one by the organism, that is the reproduction. Human are sexually reproducing and viviparous. So there have two terms, viviparous and oviparous. Oviparous means organism which lay eggs, that is a oviparous. And organic, that is human being, give birth to the their young ones, that is a viviparous. Okay, so I think you already learn about it. So human reproductive system, there have two type of human reproductive system. First is a male reproductive system, next is a female reproductive system. So let's get start with actually first of all we're going to discuss some terms, that is a sexual dimorphism. Okay, so what is meant by sexual dimorphism? So sexual dimorphism is a differences in external structure of organism of female and male. Okay, that is a sexual dimorphism. Okay, that means if you see the peacock, so this is the male peacock and this is the female peacock. Okay, so here you can see lion, this is a male. Okay, and this is a lioness, that is a female lion, we can say. Okay, like that, this is a male and this is a female. That means you can see the differences in the external body structure of animal, and that known as the sexual dimorphism. Okay, so first of all, there have some short story about sexual dimorphism. Why sexual dimorphism is between male and female? There have some uses of sexual dimorphism. Next thing, it is a evolutionary thing. Okay, that is sexual dimorphism is a product of evolution again. Then how it product of evolution? जस्ट हम एक स्टोरी सुनते हैं, उसके बाद देखेंगे बाकी का आगे का पार्ट है. ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट है, जनरल पार्ट है थोड़ा. ओके, बट इट इज इंटरेस्टिंग. Actually, there have one theory, and that theory known as selection pressure theory, or we can say selection pressure. Okay, then what is the mean by selection pressures? Okay, so during the time of evolution, that means after the development of our even आज भी होता है ये चीज in our society, or we can say in animal also. ठीक है, that is the selection process pressure. Here female can select the male for mating. Okay, female select the male for mating. Okay, and how female select the male, what the different character want a female, okay, in male. Okay, that's the important thing in selection pressure. Okay, so here फीमेल को चाहिए कि जो क्या हो, स्ट्रांग हो. ओके ओके, ठीक है, नो इश्यू. आई एम ऑफ माय कैमरा अगर वॉइस लैग हो रहा है तो. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पर देखिए सिंपल सिस्टम ये है कि हमेशा फीमेल के ऊपर, ऑन फीमेल माइंड और फीमेल के ऊपर सिलेक्शन प्रेशर रहता है. सिलेक्शन प्रेशर इन द सेंस हाउ टू सिलेक्ट मेल, मतलब मेल को कैसे सिलेक्ट किया जाए फॉर द मीटिंग. व्हाई? बिकॉज देयर हैव वन रूल, वी वांट जेनेटिकली स्ट्रांग और स्ट्रांग प्रोजेनी. एवरी ऑर्गेनिज्म वांट स्ट्रांग प्रोजेनी. ठीक है, ऑर्गेनिज्म को क्या चाहिए? स्ट्रांग प्रोजेनी चाहिए. व्हाई दे वांट स्ट्रांग प्रोजेनी? बिकॉज फॉर द सर्वाइवल. ओके, This is clear in your mind. Okay. And that's why female select strong male. समझ में आए? And that's why male have some characters. Okay, some extra character for the selection. मतलब मेल का सिलेक्शन होने के लिए कुछ एक्स्ट्रा कैरेक्टर मेल के ऊपर दिए जाते हैं, एंड दैट इज द सेक्सुअल डायमॉर्फिज्म, और उसे हम सेक्सुअल डायमॉर्फिज्म कहते हैं आगे चलते. ठीक है. सो यू कैन सी हियर मेल इज द beautiful than a female because male have some extra character. Scientifically male are the beautiful than female. Okay, so here you can see lion have this type of we can say hair, and you can see this fish have a different color, that is a male fish. Okay, so here male peacock have some characters, or we can say colorful feathers. Okay, like that. So this is the sexual dimorphism, and this is the evolutionary part we discussed already. मतलब evolution में ऐसा चीज हुआ है, and that's why this sexual dimorphism happen in case of human male and female. So human male have a muscular body. Okay, human male have mustache and beard. Okay, so that is an extra character. Human male have a broad body like that. Okay, so that is an extra, and that character मेल आर बी स्ट्रॉन्ग, मतलब मेल क्या है, स्ट्रॉन्ग है, ये ऐसे कैरेक्टर दिखाता है. एंड दैट्स व्हाई मतलब फीमेल उसमें सिलेक्ट करने का एक चॉइस रहेगा कि विच मेल इज द स्ट्रॉन्ग. ओके, दैट इज वन पार्ट, दैट इज इवोल्यूशनरी पार्ट. नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज द वी कैन से कैपेबिलिटी ऑफ मेल एंड फीमेल. मतलब मेल और फीमेल का जो कैपेबिलिटी है वो भी डिफरेंट है. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल फीमेल इन केस ऑफ ह्यूमन, इन ह्यूमन फीमेल हैव a broad pelvic girdle. Why human female have a broad pelvic girdle? Because pelvic girdle is the part which we can say possess baby. Okay, मतलब उस पर वेट आएगा, pelvic girdle के ऊपर वेट आएगा, and that's why female have a broad pelvic girdle. pelvic girdle वाला जो साइड रहता है वो broad रहता है. Human female have a breast. Okay, for the nourishment of child, like that. Okay, male have a masculine. Why male have a masculine? Because for the protection and other things. ठीक है. So that's why this is the capability point. मतलब हर एक का काम जो है, working capacity is a different in case of male and female, and that's why this process is a different. हम ये चीजें और अच्छे से क्लियर करेंगे, that is पॉइंट ऑफ कैपेबिलिटी. ओके, कैसे अलग अलग है, ये चीजें आगे चल के और क्लियर होगी. एंड डिफरेंट हार्मोन्स आल्सो सपोर्ट फॉर दिस प्रोसेस, दैट इज फॉर कैपेबिलिटी. ओके, समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? ठीक है, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं इसी के साथ. So you can see the different sexual dimorphism here in human. This is a female, this is a male. So male have a broad body structure, masculine body structure. Male have a strong body structure. Female have a, we can say, not a heavy body structure like that, not a broad body like that. Simple जो रहता है body type रहता है female में, male में like that. ठीक है. So this is sexual dimorphism in male and female. ठीक है. Male in the sense human, in case of human, male and female. So this is, and secondary sexual character also support the sexual dimorphism, and this secondary sexual character develop with the help of different hormones. Okay, so this is a different character like build up. Okay, build up in the sense body type. So in case of man have a muscular. Why man have a muscular? They have one hormones, that is the testosterone. Okay, so I am right here, testosterone. मैं सिंपली यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ, ठीक है, वन हार्मोन that is the testosterone. So testosterone is the muscle hormone. Okay. So I think you already know about the testosterone. ठीक है, testosterone आपको पता होगा. There have different bodybuilder take a testosterone, extra testosterone in their body. Even female wrestler, female bodybuilder also take a testosterone externally. Okay, and this testosterone develop muscles. Okay, so you can see naturally male have a muscular body than a woman. Okay, women have a less muscular body. ऐसा नहीं है women में testosterone secrete ही नहीं होता. Women also have some amount of testosterone secreted in their body. ठीक है, but not that much amount like a man. Man में जैसे male में जिस अमाउंट में सीक्रेट होता है टेस्टोस्टेरॉन, उस अमाउंट में फीमेल में सीक्रेट नहीं होता है. ठीक है. Next thing is the hair growth. Okay, so there have three part for the hair growth. Hair growth in the sense not a hair on head, that is a common hair, वो तो सभी में रहते हैं, and that developed by birth, मतलब ये birth से ही रहते हैं जो on the head. ठीक है, but some hair develop during puberty period. Okay, and there have three part hair develop the hair. Okay, so first part for hair development, यहाँ पर कुछ नंबर दे दो. हाँ, ठीक है. So 3 is important and 4th is not important like much. ठीक है. So first is a facial hair. ठीक है. Facial means mustache and beard etc. So mustache and beard develop in male. ठीक है, absent in a female. This is a secondary sexual character. ठीक है. Next thing is the axillary. ठीक है, that is hair development in armpit, that is axillary hair. It present in male also and it present in female also. ठीक है. Next thing is the pubic hair. Okay, so pubic hair develops in pubic areas, that is in genital areas, so it is present in both male and female. ठीक है. Next thing is the chest. Okay, so chest hair develop only in a male. Okay, and it absent in female, but some female have some hormonal issues, and that's why it will develop that मतलब उस फीमेल के चेस्ट पे भी ये डेवलप हो सकता है in some female. Okay, not in all. Next thing, this is about hair development. Next thing is the mammillary. In case of man, it not develop. Okay, in case of female, it will develop. Okay. Next thing is the shoulder. Okay, so shoulder broad in case of male, but in case of female, it not broad. Okay. Next thing is a pelvis. Pelvis in the sense, this part is the pelvis part. Okay, where pelvic bone are present, and this pelvic bone support to the ओके, और बेबी को सपोर्ट करता है. ठीक है, उसका जो वजन रहता है, वेट है, उसका संभालने के लिए. सो इट नॉट ब्रॉड इन मैन बट ब्रॉड इन फीमेल. नेक्स्ट इज अ व्हाइस. सो व्हाइस इज अ लो पिच, ओके, इन केस ऑफ मैन, and it high pitch in woman. Okay, next is the breathing. Okay, so how to breathe? So man breathe through abdominal part or predominant abdominal part. Abdomen means लाइक स्टमक एरिया, ठीक है, वहां से मतलब पूरा स्टमक एरिया से जो है ब्रीथिंग करते हैं मेल. इन केस ऑफ फीमेल it is just go through the thoracic. Thoracic means that is we can say lungs part, जो pulmonary part, lungs part है, that part. Okay, वहां से मतलब जो वुमन के केस में हम ऐसा कह सकते हैं कि वुमन जो है जो ब्रीथिंग रहता है उनका, ठीक है, इन केस ऑफ वुमन दैट इज वी कैन से सिंपल इजी एंड उतना स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं होता. बट इन केस ऑफ मेल ब्रीथिंग जो रहता है बाय द एब्डोमिनल साइड जो है वो ब्रीथिंग वो करते हैं पूरा ऐसा लाइक दैट, ठीक है. सो दैट इज द डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन मेल एंड female, that is human male and human female. Okay, so one thing missing from this chart, that is a BMR. Okay, then what is mean by BMR, guys? BMR is just the basal metabolic rate. Okay, basal metabolic rate. Actually, this basal metabolic rate is the rate of energy production, and the rate of energy production high in the male. Male के केस में ये high रहेगा. Female के केस में, in case of female, it get down. ये कम रहेगा. Okay. So that is a point which the sexual dimorphism as well as secondary sexual character in human. Secondary sexual character completely depend on the growth hormones. ठीक है, ये growth hormone के ऊपर depend करता है. And that hormone secreted in specific time period in the male and female of human, and that time period is known as the puberty. ठीक है, चलिए. If you have any doubt about this topic, please mention in comment box. If you don't, then click on yes. चलिए जल्दी जल्दी. Okay. Prathamesh, I am already explaining it. Dimorphism is a difference between external structure of male and female. That is a dimorphism. मतलब सिंपल अगर बात हम कहे तो it is a difference in external body structure of male and female. Male and female का body structure सेम नहीं रहता है, and that is a dimorphism. उसे हम कहते हैं dimorphism. Why dimorphism happen, and and what is the important of dimorphism, we already discussed. ठीक है, ये हमने डिस्कस किया है. और कोई डाउट है? ओके, चलिए चलिए आगे चलते हैं. Coming to the next, guys. Next part, there have you can see some name of reproductive organ and some picture of reproductive organ. So this is the reproductive organs which important for the reproduction process. So you can see here male. Okay, so this is a primary sex organ, and that sex organ is known as, क्या कहते हैं इसे, कोई बताएगा? What is the primary sex organ in male and what is this primary sex organ in female? चलो आंसर इन कमेंट बॉक्स गाइस, चलिए जल्दी जल्दी. ओके ओके विश्वजीत. अदर पीपल्स? ओके ठीक है, चलिए. यस, चलिए. हाँ, सो दिस इज नोन एज द टेस्टिस. And this is known as ovary. So ovary and testes are the primary sex organs. Okay. Deepa, we will discuss, no issue about scrotum. Scrotum is the part of testis. Actually, scrotum is a one of pouch where testis situated. Okay, so we will go in, discuss about it. Don't worry about it. Okay, chali. So this is a secondary sexual organ and a sex organ, and that is a prostate. Actually, prostate is a gland. Seminal vesicles also glands. What's the differences? Epididymis and penis. Okay, so penis is a copulatory organ, or we can say penis is important for the insemination. Okay. So what is mean by insemination, guys? Insemination is the process where male drop their sperm in a vaginal part. That process known as the insemination. So penis deliver the sperm. Vast differences: epididymis, seminal vesicle, prostate. This part is important for the development of sperm and nourishment of sperm. Okay. So this is the secondary sexual organ in the male. Okay, so male have no any accessory sex organ. That's why this part जो है वो open है, space है यहाँ पर. Okay, so in case of female, so ovary is the primary sex organ. Why ovary is the primary sex organ? Because it develop the egg से, ठीक है? Testis develop the sperm से. ओके, ये स्पर्म सेल बनाता है, वो एक सेल बनाती है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज द इन केस ऑफ सेकेंडरी सेक्स ऑर्गन, fallopian tube, uterus, vagina, mammillary glands are the secondary sex organ. So fallopian tubes, this part is the fallopian tube. Uterus means this part, like that uterus, इस तरीके से यूटेरस रहते हैं. हम we will going to discuss, no issue about. ठीक है. सो यूटेरस इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर टू परस्यू प्रेगनेंसी और परस्यू द एम्ब्रियो. मतलब परस्यू करने के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है यूटेरस. यूटेरस इज वन ऑफ वी कैन से बैग लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज द वजाइना. वजाइना इज द एक्सटर्नल कोपुलेटरी पार्ट. ठीक है, वेयर स्पर्म गेट ड्रॉप बाय पेनिस. ठीक. नेक्स्ट इज mammillary gland. Mammillary gland develop the milk for nourishment of baby. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज breast is the accessory sex organ. ठीक है. accessory means breast support for the different reproductive. ठीक है. breast क्या करता है? सपोर्ट करता है. ठीक है. that's why it is known as accessory sex organ. ठीक है. going to the next. So आफ्टर दिस पार्ट खत्म होने के बाद Okay, I am audible, guys. Actually, there are some internet issue. That's why I am disconnected automatically. Am I audible? Yes. First event is the gametogenesis. Then what is meant by gametogenesis? So I'm just saying some definitions. Actually, we going to discuss in future about gametogenesis in future. ठीक है, so don't worry about the definition writing and other things, वो चीजें मिल जाएंगी आप लोगों को, ठीक है, but just मैं एक information दे रहा हूँ आपको what is meant by gametogenesis actually. So it is the formation of gametes. So you already know what is the gamete. Gametes are the germ cell, that is the sperm cell and egg cell. Simple cheese है, ठीक है. So I'm right here. It is the formation of gametes. Formation of gametes. Next thing is the insemination. So what is the insemination? We already discussed. Insemination is the transfer of sperm by male into female vagina. That is the insemination. So I'm right here. Transfer of sperm. ठीक है. Next thing is the fertilization process. So fertilization process means fusion of, simple definition है, fusion of male and female gamete. Male and female gamete. Okay. Next is the cleavage. Okay, so after the fertilization process, there have rapid development of cell, or we can say a rapid division of cell happens, and that process is known as the cleavage. उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Cleavage कहते हैं. So cleavage is the rapid mitotic division of zygote. Okay, so I'm right here. Rapid mitotic division, okay, of zygote. Okay, then what is meant by zygote? Zygote is the product of fertilization. Next thing is the implantation. Okay, so then what is meant by implantation? So it is the attachment of blastocyst, blastocyst. Okay, so I am writing the one word here, that is a blastocyst. Blastocyst. Then what is meant by blastocyst? So blastocyst is the group of cells, and we can say it is the one of stage after fertilization, and this stage coming during the cleavage process. मतलब ये cleavage process में आता है blastocyst नाम का process. So blastocyst is the ball of cell, you can say, and this stage happened before the implantation. Then what is meant by implantation? Implantation is the simply attachment of blastocyst, that is group of cell, to the uterus. मतलब यूटेरिन वॉल जो रहेगा, ठीक है, उसको ये क्या रहेगा? अटैच हो जाएगा. अटैच हो जाएगा इन द सेंस उसके ऊपर लैंड होके वहां पर बैठ जाता है यूटेरिन वॉल. इसके बारे में हम डिटेल में देखेंगे, सो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. सो इट इज दी, we can say, attachment of embryo. ठीक है, कहां पर? At uterus or uterine wall, you can say. ठीक है. Next thing is the placentation. Then what is meant by placentation, guys? It is simply formation of placenta. Okay, formation of placenta. What is the placenta? Placenta कोई बताएगा? What is the placenta, guys? And next question is, are placenta and umbilical cord is a different or same? Okay, I think you already know this thing. What is the placenta? किसको किसको पता है? And what is the difference between, or we can say, are umbilical cord and placenta are different? ओके ओके, चलिए प्लासेंटा मत बताइए, एक चीज बताइए मुझे, सिंपल कर देता हूँ क्वेश्चन. What is the work of placenta? What is the function of placenta? This is a simple question. कोई बता सकता है? चलिए, एक्चुअली प्लासेंटा पार्ट provide the nutrition, okay, and umbilical cord is attaches to the placenta and baby, okay, and that exchange the nutrition. ठीक है? So this is a important difference. So placentation means development of placenta, that is a nutritional part develops, okay, and that nutritional part, or we can say this nutritional area provided the nutrition to the baby. Next thing is the gastrulation. Then what do you mean by gastrulation? It is the development of gastrula. Okay, so I am right here. So what is mean by gastrula? Actually, gastrula is the development of embryo actually. So first of all, we here we can see the blastocyst. Blastocyst is a simple group of cell. मतलब blastocyst ये एक group of cell रहेगा. But in case of gastrula, ठीक है? In case of gastrula, so gastrula is the group of cell, no doubt, but it have a layer. मतलब इसमें layer रहेगा. कौन कौन सा layer रहेगा guys? I think you already know about germ layer, okay? That is a mesoderm, endoderm, okay? Endoderm, mesoderm, ectoderm, ठीक है? Ectoderm, ठीक है? So that is a different germ layer, and that different germ layer develop in the gastrula phase. Okay, so that process, that complete process is known as the gastrulation. So I am right here. Blastocyst converted into gastrula. ठीक है? And I think you already learn about in 11th standard about the germ layer. Okay, germ layer के बारे में तो पता ही होगा. नहीं पता है तो हम देखेंगे इस लेसन में भी है. ठीक है. Next thing is the organogenesis. Then what do you mean by organogenesis? Genesis means development, and the organo means organ development. Okay, so organ development start here. Next is the parturition. Parturition means delivery of baby. Delivery of baby. Baby in the sense we can say fetus. Okay, उसको fetus कहते हैं. And after parturition it have a baby. उसको बेबी कहेंगे हम. ठीक है, ये माइनर डिफरेंस है रखना. चलिए, कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट following pair belong to the secondary sex organ. Okay, prostate, breast and vagina, testes and ovary, prostate and uterus. I am launching poll for you. Please answer. Answer fast, guys. 30 seconds are left. यहाँ पे एमसीक्यू में प्रॉब्लम हो गया क्या? हमारे टाइमिंग बहुत ज्यादा है. ओके, राघवी करेक्ट, जन्मजा करेक्ट, प्रज्वल रॉन्ग, सुमा करेक्ट। ओके ठीक। ओके चलिए, so maximum people choose an option D. Obviously option D is the correct option. ठीक है, so this is your answer. And how it correct, ये correct क्यों है देखते हैं. So we already learn about prostate and testes are the, here testis is the primary sex organ. ठीक है, prostate is the secondary sex organ, breast is the accessory sex organ, vagina is the secondary sex organ. Okay, testis is again a primary, ovary is the primary in female, prostate and uterus both are the secondary sex organ, and that's why option 4 is the correct option. ठीक है, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं इसी के साथ. So here we going to discuss about the male reproductive system. So we start the different reproductive organ from this slide. Okay, so let's start with male reproductive system. So in male reproductive system, there have this complete part uh, is the male reproductive system part. Okay, so here you can see pair testis. Next is the accessory duct. So pair testis means simply it we can say situated in a pouch-like structure, and that pouch-like structure is known as scrotum. Okay, that is a pair testis. Next is the accessory duct. So accessory duct present in the testis, that is rete testis, vasa efferentia, epididymis, vasa deferens. Okay. Next thing is the accessory glands. So prostate gland, seminal vesicle, and coffer gland. Okay. And this coffer gland also known as the bulbourethral gland. Okay. That are the accessory gland. Accessory gland means these gland are important for the different secretions, and that secretion is important for to provide nutrition as well as provide proper environment to the sperm cell. मतलब ये सारी चीजें sperm cell को एक environment provide करती है and nutrition provide करेगा. ठीक है, this thing that is accessory duct, ये जो accessory ducts, that accessory duct is important for the development and transportation, okay, of this sperm. That is rete testis is important for the development, like that. Next thing is the external genitalia, and external genitalia means penis. Okay, so penis is important for the sexual activity. Okay, so this is a complete male reproductive system. You can see the diagram here. Okay, here again next diagram. Okay, so this is the penile part, or we can say penis part. Okay, the next thing is the testis. Okay, this is a scrotum, this is a epididymis. Can we in detail in about the testis, so don't worry about it. Next, this is a vas deferens. Vas deferens is a long, we can say tube-like structure which transported this sperm. Okay. Next, here you can see the prostate gland. This is the prostate gland. ये prostate gland है. Okay. This part is a prostate. This is a seminal vesicle. Okay. This part is a rectum. Rectum means here waste material of body यहाँ पर जमा होता है, ठीक है, dump होता है, and this is a anus part. Okay. So this is a complete. That is this part. ये जो है ना rectum and anus and this thing, ठीक है, this is a not a reproductive part. This part, ठीक है, this part is the complete reproductive part. ये पूरा का पूरा रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट है। ठीक है, कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट केस। सो हियर यू अगेन यू कैन सी इन डिटेल. Here is the bladder, that is urinary bladder. This is pubic bone. Again, this is vas differences, urethra. Okay, so penis contains some erectile tissue. Okay, so this is scrotum, testis, epididymis. This rectum part. Again, this prostate flower. This is different ducts here. Ejaculatory duct, seminal vesicle. Okay, so why diagram is important? Because diagram directly present, or we can say it asks question asked on from the diagram. That's why diagram is important. ठीक है, उसको देखिए, important है. So to start about the testis. Okay, so let's start. What is this? So testis present in pair. ये पेयर में प्रेजेंट रहेगा. ठीक है. ओके, नेक्स्ट थिंग, इन केस ऑफ टेस्टिस, टेस्टिस का डेवलपमेंट होता है अर्ली फिटल लाइफ में. ठीक है, सो इट डेवलप इन अर्ली फिटल लाइफ. अर्ली फिटल लाइफ इन द सेंस जो चाइल्ड है. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जांपल फीमेल was pregnant and female have a baby child, and at that time this testis start development in 3 months of baby. ठीक है, ये तीसरे मंथ से स्टार्ट हो जाता है डेवलपमेंट होना, एंड इट डेवलप इन एब्डोमिनल साइड. ठीक है, एब्डोमिनल साइड में डेवलप होता है. दैट मीन्स टेस्टिस नॉट डेवलप अलोंग विद स्क्रोटम. ठीक है, स्क्रोटम के साथ टेस्टिस डेवलप नहीं होता है, ये बात ध्यान में रखना. इट डेवलप विद द एब्डोमिनल साइड. ओके, एंड आफ्टर दिस 7 month, और वी कैन से इन 7 month. ठीक है, it going, or we can say it descend to the scrotum. ठीक है, समझ में आ गया? मतलब 7 month का जब बेबी रहेगा इनसाइड द ओम ऑफ फीमेल. ठीक है, एट दैट टाइम दिस टेस्टिस गोइंग फ्रॉम एब्डोमिनल टू द स्क्रोटम. ये मतलब एब्डोमिनल से कहा जाएगा स्क्रोटम में जाता है by the one of canal, or we can say one of passage, and that passage is known as the inguinal canal. ठीक है, inguinal canal से ये जो है पास होता है एक जगह से दूसरी जगह. ओके, but one of fun fact here, there have 2% child, okay, which born with abdominal testis. 2% child born with abdominal testis. Okay, and after actually abdominal testis is not functional. Why not functional? Because it present within a body, and that's why our body temperature, you already know, our body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius, and 37 degrees Celsius temperature is not yes Deepa, no issue. So it is a not we can say functional, that is test is not functional in 37 degrees Celsius. उसको टेम्परेचर कम चाहिए. ठीक है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई टेस्ट इज प्रेजेंट इन आउटसाइड द बॉडी. ठीक है, टेस्ट इज क्यों आउटसाइड बॉडी प्रेजेंट है? बिकॉज फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ स्पर्म, एंड द टेस्ट इज वांट लोअर टेम्परेचर देन बॉडी. ओके, सो दिस 2% चाइल्ड, इनका एक सिंपल सर्जरी होता है फॉर दिस 2% चाइल्ड, एंड in that surgery this abdominal testis को बाहर निकाला जाता है बॉडी के. ठीक है, एक छोटा सा सर्जरी होता है उसके लिए। चलिए, सो किसी को डाउट है? इफ यू हैव डाउट अप टू दिस, प्लीज मेंशन इन कमेंट बॉक्स। ठीक है, चलिए, और भी बहुत सारी चीजें अबाउट द टेस्टिस हम देखेंगे आगे। सो हाँ, इसके बारे में थोड़ा अगर हम एक्सटर्नल इसका अगर कैरेक्टर देखते हैं टेस्टिस का, तो टेस्टिस आर डिगमेंटेड, दैट मींस द कलर ऑफ testes have a deeply pigmented, that is a dark color. Okay, next there have two sac, you already normal that is a 2 to 2.5 degree Celsius less than body, उसको चाहिए for the development and nourishment of sperm, connected to pelvis cavity through the inguinal canal. Then what is mean by inguinal canal? देखते हैं पहले. So this is the inguinal canal. Okay, this part you can see, this is the inguinal canal, and this inguinal canal connected to the pelvic region and the testis side. टेस्टिस साइड से लेके एक ऐसा कैनल रहेगा, एंड दिस कैनल इज इम्पोर्टेंट टू डिसेंड टेस्टिस फ्रॉम एब्डोमिनल साइड. मतलब यहाँ पर एब्डोमेन में कहीं तो भी टेस्टिस डेवलप हो रहा है ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी, एंड आफ्टर दैट इन 7 मंथ इट ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम दिस पार्ट टू द स्क्रोटम पार्ट, मतलब वो स्क्रोटम में आ जाएगा. ठीक है, सिंपल सी चीज है. Here, spermatic cord contains spermatic artery, vein, and nerves. So here you can see the spermatic cord. Spermatic cord means which important for the development, nourishment, and transport of sperm. That is the spermatic cord. ठीक है. तो ये कुछ characters है. Some character again, testes have a oval shape. Okay. Next, it present in scrotum. Okay, so that is some external feature of the testis. ठीक है, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. So हाँ, there have two muscles present in the testis. One is the dartos muscle, next is the cremaster muscles. So what is the importance of dartos and cremaster muscles? ठीक है, देखते हैं इसको. So first, dartos muscle have a lying inner scrotal sac, means scrotal sac जो रहेगा, here you can see in this diagram, this is the scrotal sac. So scrotal sac का जो inner lining है, ठीक है, for example scrotal sac have a inner lining, यहाँ पर ये प्रेजेंट रहता है इस तरीके से. ठीक है, inner scrotal sac and show contraction and relaxation. Then what is the term contraction and relaxation? Actually, human testes have an ability to contract and relax. Okay, why contract and relax? Because of temperature. Okay, इसको थोड़ा हम है ना अगले स्लाइड में समझते हैं अच्छे से. ठीक है, बट जस्ट रिमेंबर ह्यूमन we can say have ability to contraction and relaxation. Next is the cremaster muscle. So it cover testicle, that is outer side वाला जो रहेगा cover. ठीक है, it cover testicle and help elevation. Elevation means, for example, you can see in this diagram, testes are we can say एक अटैच रहता है like that, इस तरीके से ये अटैच रहेगा. ठीक है, सो इसे कहते हैं इलेवेशन, मींस इसको ये ऐसा सपोर्ट मिलता है. ठीक है, फॉर द इलेवेशन. ठीक है, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. सो आई एम सेइंग अबाउट कॉन्ट्रैक्शन एंड रिलैक्सेशन. ठीक है, सो ड्यूरिंग द when temperature get down, that is temperature going to be 25 degree or 30 degree Celsius, at that time the scrotum sac, or we can say scrotum, get contracted. ठीक है, scrotum क्या होगा? Contract होगा. Why? Because we already know testes want 35 degrees Celsius temperature. Okay, and this is a 35 degrees Celsius temperature not obtained in atmosphere. So atmospheric temperature going on 25 to 30 degree. At that time, this part, this scrotum get contracted. Contracted means it going to near the body. मतलब body जो है हमारा human body जो है उसके पास ये चला जाता है, because human body have a 37 degree Celsius at that time. समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? इसके वजह से नेक्स्ट थिंग, व्हेन टेम्परेचर हाई, ओके, जब टेम्परेचर ज्यादा होता है एट दैट टाइम दिस स्क्रोटम पार्ट गेट रिलैक्स. ये स्क्रोटम पार्ट क्या होगा? रिलैक्स होगा. व्हाई इट रिलैक्स? बिकॉज बॉडी टेम्परेचर ऑल्सो इंक्रीजेस. ठीक है, यहाँ पर 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस इज द ऑलरेडी बॉडी टेम्परेचर, एंड एटमॉस्फेरिक टेम्परेचर भी अगर होता है at that time it get relaxed because it maintain at 35 degree Celsius. You want to maintain on 35 degree Celsius during regular time in the sense there have no any low temperature, no any high temperature. At that time it purges in the regular manner. ये regular manner में रहेगा, contract नहीं रहेगा and relax. हाँ, प्रथमेश, actually contraction and relaxation of scrotum is a depend on temperature. If temperature increases, if temperature high, at that time the we can say muscle of scrotum get relaxed. When temperature going to be down, at that time it get contracted. Contracted means वो body के पास आ जाता है. For example, यहाँ पर कुछ डायग्राम अगर है, ठीक है, सो दिस इज अ स्क्रोटम पार्ट. ये स्क्रोटम पार्ट है पूरा का पूरा. ठीक है, सो दिस स्क्रोटम पार्ट गेट कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड ड्यूरिंग टेम्परेचर गेट डाउन. मतलब जब टेम्परेचर डाउन जाएगा तब ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होगा, एंड ड्यूरिंग टेम्परेचर गेट हाई एट दैट टाइम इट गेट रिलैक्स. ये हो जाएगा रिलैक्स. ठीक है, मतलब ये बॉडी के पास खींचा जाएगा इस तरीके से. जब टेम्परेचर डाउन रहेगा, टेम्परेचर बढ़ जाएगा तो ये रिलैक्स होगा. ठीक है, तो ये कंडीशन हमें देखने को मिलता है. चलिए, हाँ, यहाँ पर भी हम दिखा सकते हैं कॉन्ट्रैक्शन एंड रिलैक्सेशन. ठीक है, सिंपल सा है, ध्यान में रखना. चलिए, नेक्स्ट इज द क्वेश्चन. मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम डू नॉट कंटेन penis, uterus, prostate, testis. I am launching poll for you. Please answer it. Okay. Okay, I am ending the poll now. And this is your result. Maximum people choose an option B. Obviously, option B is the correct option. Simple सी चीज है. Male reproductive system contain penis, prostate, testis, but it not contain uterus. That's why this is the correct answer. Okay. This is a morphology, and I think ये तो cover नहीं होगा अभी. So that's why we stop the lecture here. So I'm launching the poll for NPS. Please answer me, and you can leave for a day. If you have any type of doubt, please mention in comment box.